Welcome to English with Leanne. Today's idiom is a rocky start, and we use this with a few different verbs. You can get off to a rocky start, you can have a rocky start, or something can be a rocky start. A rocky start. Let's take a look at what words we have. A start. Okay, that's normal. A beginning, a start. Rocky. The adjective here, rocky, it's unclear if this comes from a rock, a hard rock, or a stone, or if it comes from the verb to rock, where it rocks, which means it goes back and forth. In either case, a rocky start means a difficult or unsteady start. So both of those different origins would work for a rocky start. Let's do some examples to see how this idiom works. Our first example is, we got off to a rocky start. Can we start over? And here you're saying that you met someone and it wasn't a smooth start. Maybe you didn't get along right away and you want to try again. Another way to use get off to a rocky start, we might say, oh, the bikers got off to a rocky start. And you're saying that the bike race got off to a difficult start. It wasn't a great start. And like I said, we also use the verbs to be and to have with a rocky start. So let's take a look at some examples with these. We'll start with to have a rocky start. We had a rocky start. Simple. It means the exact same thing as we got off to a rocky start, meaning that we didn't have a good beginning. And so you can say we had a rocky start, or that was a rocky start to the race. And now we're describing what type of start it was. It was a difficult, unsteady, not great start. So to get off to a rocky start, to have a rocky start are going to mean the same thing, whereas to be a rocky start is a more descriptive moment. So good luck using a rocky start.